Everything starts with a thought, or more precisely, an idea. An idea is the seed from which all things grow. When an idea matures and ripens, it transforms into a thought. And when a thought matures, it turns into a word. When words take shape, they often form ideologies, belief systems that can shape the world around us. Ideologies, whether positive or negative, such as terrorism, begin with simple thoughts that grow and influence actions. As ideologies mature, they develop into philosophies, guiding principles that influence our way of living. Think about it. The way you live today started as a simple idea. The chair you sit on was once just an idea in someone's mind. That idea turned into a thought, then a word, and finally, it became a tangible object. This is the power of an idea. It can manifest into reality. Everything you see around you began as an idea. If you follow through with your ideas, they can become your reality. Even addictions start with a single idea. The thought of winning a jackpot can consume someone, turning into words, actions, and eventually a harmful addiction. To overcome such challenges, we need to address the root, the original idea. Ideas are powerful and cannot be killed, but they can be replaced. To combat a negative idea or thought, introduce a positive one. St. Paul's advice is timeless. Do not be conformed, but be transformed. How can you transform your mind? By renewing it, filling it with positive, uplifting thoughts. Our origin is divine, and connecting with our spiritual roots can transform our lives. The Word of God, for instance, is a divine idea that has been shared with humanity. By immersing yourself in positive, spiritual teachings, you replace negative thoughts with pure and uplifting ones. Reading and meditating on such words daily can fill your mind with positivity. Gradually, harmful thoughts will vanish, replaced by thoughts that inspire and uplift. If you're feeling down, read something inspirational. If negative thoughts haunt you, replace them with positive, pure ideas. As you continually feed your mind with positive thoughts, you'll notice a transformation. Your words and actions will become reflections of the positivity within you. What once required effort will become natural, as your mind will be filled with uplifting thoughts. So, next time you feel overwhelmed by negative thoughts, remember the power of an idea. Fill your mind with positive, inspiring thoughts. Engage with uplifting content and let these ideas take root in your mind. Before long, you'll notice a change in your language and behavior. You'll start to think and speak positively without even trying. Don't let the Bible or any inspirational book gather dust on a shelf. Open it, read it, and let the ideas within transform your mind and life. By doing this, you not only change your thoughts, but also the way you live. Surround yourself with positivity and let it guide your thoughts, words, and actions. Remember, everything begins with an idea. Make sure your ideas are positive and watch how they transform your life. Fill your mind with good thoughts and let those thoughts shape a better, brighter future for you. Inspire yourself with uplifting ideas and let them guide you to live a life filled with positivity and purpose. As you embrace the power of positive ideas, you'll find that your perspective on life begins to shift. This transformation is a journey, not a destination. Every day, take a moment to reflect on the thoughts that occupy your mind. Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? The quality of your thoughts directly influences the quality of your life. Begin each day with a simple ritual. Take a few moments to meditate on positive, affirming ideas. It could be a motivational quote, a passage from a favorite book, or simply a personal affirmation. Let these thoughts set the tone for your day. Just like planting seeds in a garden, nurturing positive thoughts will eventually yield a harvest of positivity and success. Surround yourself with people who inspire, and uplift you. Engage in conversations that challenge you to grow and expand your horizons. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely and ensure that your circle supports your journey toward a more positive and fulfilling life. Another key aspect of maintaining a positive mindset is gratitude. Take time each day to acknowledge the good in your life. No matter how small, recognizing these blessings can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. Gratitude creates a ripple effect, attracting more positive experiences into your life. Moreover, action is crucial. Ideas and thoughts must be backed by action to manifest into reality. Set clear, achievable goals and work towards them consistently. Break down your larger aspirations into smaller, manageable tasks and tackle them one by one. Each step you take brings you closer to your dreams, and the sense of accomplishment will fuel your motivation. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey. Don't let failures discourage you. Instead, view them as learning opportunities. Every challenge you face is a chance to grow stronger and more resilient. Keep your eyes on your goals and don't lose sight of your vision. Persistence is key, and with a positive mindset, you can overcome any obstacle. In addition to mental and emotional practices, take care of your physical well-being. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient rest are essential. When you feel good physically, it's easier to maintain a positive outlook on life. Another important practice is mindfulness. Stay present in the moment and be aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded and focused, preventing you from being overwhelmed by negative thoughts. It allows you to respond to situations with clarity and calmness. Creative expression is also a powerful tool for maintaining positivity. Whether it's writing, painting, music, or any other form of art, expressing yourself creatively can be therapeutic. It's a way to channel your thoughts and emotions constructively, bringing a sense of fulfillment and joy. As you continue to fill your life with positive ideas and actions, you'll notice a transformation not just in yourself, but also in those around you. Positivity is contagious. When you radiate positive energy, you inspire others to do the same. Your actions and words can have a profound impact on your community, creating a ripple effect of positive change. In conclusion, everything begins with an idea. By nurturing positive thoughts and replacing negative ones, you can transform your life. Surround yourself with inspiring people, practice gratitude, take consistent action, and take care of your physical and mental well-being. Embrace mindfulness and creative expression, and let your positive energy influence others. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. Start today and watch how your life blossoms into something beautiful and fulfilling. Your journey towards a positive and inspired life starts now. Keep moving forward and never underestimate the power of a single positive idea.